Okay, so here basic stats we try to apply on the some stocks. Okay, so what you need to do initially means when we want to import anything, when we want to do the apply, we want to apply stats on anything. Okay, so you first need to import the Excel file. Okay, so we will download that Excel file. So suppose if I want to take this BSE India, I think everyone is aware about that, na? Bombay Stock Exchange generally deal with the stock price. And so now here, uh, which company we can take? Can we take Infosys and TCS or any another company? Can you suggest? Means which two company we can compare? Any two? Okay. The Tata Motor first. We try to take the data of the Tata Motor. So here in the archive, the previous data is available, okay, in tabular format. Like here you can see with respective the date, open price, highest price means open means every share will be open during the open of the stock market, that price, okay, and high means 420, the highest during that entire day, low means 409 during that day, lowest price of the share, as well as here you can see the close price is given and many number of shares sold, number of traded, total turnover, deliverable quantity, so these are the thing is given. And now, okay, so we download this Excel file. I taken the data from 2810 to 912. Okay, even we try to take more, 1 minute, huh? Instead of this we try to take monthly. Let's, uh, taking one, huh? डेट वाला पर 1 मंथ का ही आ रहा है ना? ओके, 1 मिनट. Hmm. Okay, so here we will take December 2021 to December 11. Okay, here instead of 2021, I suggest take 2019. It is possible or not? Let's. Okay, here take 1 1 only. Let it 1 1 2019. Okay, 1 1 2019 to till now. Let's submit. So this is the from 2019 to till now. You have the data. January 1 1 2019. So now I try to download this Excel file. Okay. So what is this? Can I give the name Tata Motor? And I try to save this thing in the my PWD, that is the in C. CSV you will get. CSV only you will get. In C user admin user admin. There I try to save, so I can directly call. Huh? And next, which company you told? Mahindra, right? Just you need to change the company name here. Huh? Mahindra and Mahindra. Na? हाँ महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा ही लिमिटेड. कौन सा फर्स्ट वन? महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा. महिंद्रा महिंद्रा. Okay. So this is the stock price of the Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Okay. This one only ना? तो नहीं यही किया आप लोगों ने? हाँ कर दो. Okay. So both CSV we have. We can start now. Where we are? We have CSV file. Okay. And for import any CSV file, what you need to do? You need to call pandas. Okay. Import pandas as PD. And the next you need to do the some numerical calculation, so that's why numpy as np. Okay. As well. Okay. Even I suggest you ignore the warning also, so import warning and there what the thing warning dot filter warning. Okay. And you can ignore. We need to import the both the CSV file, right? So first one is the I think which one? Tata Motor. Tata Motor. And I just put the name underscore df. Okay. Tata Motor underscore df. And what I need to read that file na pd dot read underscore csv, then pass the file name. What is the file name? Tata Motor. In my case I written like this. In your case maybe also you written in the same way. This is your Tata Motor df is data file. Okay. You have all the thing right now here. Date, open price, high price, low price with respect to the date wise it is given. Okay. So I hope everyone is able to do this thing. Hmm? Yeah, here we imported the data Tata Motor as well as Mahindra data. Okay. Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay. So we have the data. Now the next point. when actually here I'm interested only with the two values, means I'm not interested on open price, high price, and all things. I want ki in every day how much gain I'm getting in the this particular share. Okay, so what first very important point, that is the means you should know the this date. Okay, date is required, and the second I want the close price. Okay, if you have the close price, then you can easily means calculate the gain each day. How to calculate the gain each day? Gain is equal to what you need to do, the close price of you can say today minus close price of yesterday divided by close price of yesterday. Okay, so if you do this type of the thing, then you will get the gain, means per day gain, how much gain you are getting, that you will get. Okay, so the point is here I'm interested in the date as well as I'm interested in the close price. Remaining, even I'm not that much good in the finance, so I will not take. I'm interested right now in the gain only. Okay, so we will take these two thing only and proceed our analysis. Okay. Okay, so what I need to take, okay, so here only I can I update here only. Here you can understand what I need to do now. This is my this is the Tata Motor CA. This I want to update. Okay, this I want to update. So is equal to, can I write this one, and there can I call this two only, date, and the second one is the close price. Okay, so now if I run this code, you will get these two column only. Okay, date and close price, because now I updated with the Tata Motor DF with this two column only, means you can say I overwrite that Tata Motor DF file. Okay, and you will get this two column only, that is the date and close price. कुछ doubt है? The same thing I need to do this date and close price for the Mahindra CSV. Okay, so what you need to do, I want to update this Mahindra DF. Okay, take the Mahindra DF equal to, update with what, Mahindra DF date and close price only. Okay, that only I want. So call this two only, date and what is the next? Okay, so now both the file is updated. Any doubt regarding this? Means what we done till now? No, no. Okay. Okay. So now I try to do all the thing in this one row only. Okay, so please, right now means we are in the position ki we can do all the thing in the one row. Okay, and you should understand. Okay, don't think what is the happening here in the three line, that you should understood. Now you are in that position. Okay, so now what I need to do, this is the df, this is the my data. Okay, and instead of this head I want okay, what is the d types now I want to see. Okay, so here you can see the date is the in the form of the object. Here also I pass d types. Here you will see the date in the object. Okay, and the close price is obviously float. okay, that you will get in the decimal. So that is there is no issue with respect to the close price data type, but I have a issue with the date. Okay, so that I need to convert into the date time, that is right now in the object, but I need to convert into the date time. Okay, so what you need to do for that, can I do in the same line? Okay, so now what I want to update now, when I seen ki there the date in the object form, so I want to convert this date, right? So I will what I will do, I will pass this date only. Okay, that I want to change. Okay, so is equal to, can I write is equal to, what I need to do now, or instead of that, 1 minute, this is your data, right? And now 1 minute, let it be data motor underscore df dot d types. Okay, we try to do in the another column, so you will understand. 1 minute. Okay, so now I want to convert this date into the means this particular data into the date time. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to convert. Okay, so what you will be do, pd, by use of the pandas library you can do, and when you press the tab, there also option will be available like date time is available. Okay, when you press date, I think 1 minute tab, I date, that is in object, that is in object right now in the string format, so I need to convert into the date type. So now here date time index is available inside the your pd. Okay, when you press the tab, then also you will get this. Okay, so many time you maybe forget ki here d is capital and I is capital. Okay, so press the tab, you will understand okay how I need to return, that is inbuilt. Okay, inside that library, so you need to write in that format only. So what I written here, date time index. Okay, now what I want to convert means here in date time index, what I want to convert, that I need to pass inside the inside this function. Okay, so I want to convert the this Tata Motor date column, Tata Motor df, their date column I want to convert, right? This I want to convert. Okay, कोई doubt है क्या? Okay, now if I run, so it is means in the format of the in the you can say date time index format. Right now it is not in the object form, but again if I see, okay, let me check Tata Motor df dot d types, it's still showing me the object. Why? Because you are not updated this data in your df. So how to update? Tata, then it will work, it will work or not? क्या है अभी यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, डेट टाइम इंडेक्स हैज नो एट्रीब्यूट डी टाइप, only date time coming now. Even I if I see now df is only date time. So date लिख के फिर अपडेट करना ना, समझे क्या? Are you getting my point? You updated entire thing, na? So what you need to do? Again, I will call this one where it is where I imported the data. Data motors. Okay, it is like this one. This one is the second. After that, this I want to convert. Okay, so pass the date here. Now call. Okay, and now if you do the D types, you will get the date type. Are you getting my point? You need to update that date column only, na? So that's why I pass the date column. You need to do the same thing for the Mahindra. Okay. Now you converted this Mahindra means there also date you converted into the date time index. Okay. Now the next point. Okay. Okay. When I see this date time index is done. Now I just want to see. Okay. What is the Mahindra DF? Okay. So I want to see here only, and let's see. It will show me the date and the close price as well as it shows the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the indexing of the Python. But when you deal with this time series data, this type of the data, you need to convert this date in the form of the index. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do now, I want to change this date as an index. Okay, so how to set that index? I think we discussed now earlier, not? Okay, so what you need to do, I try to write in the different section only. So here, what is the name? Tata Motor, right? Tata Motor DA. Okay, Tata Motor. So this is the my file. Okay, and here what I want to do now in the Tata Motor DF, I want set index. Okay, so set underscore index, and what you want to do means what you want to set in this index. This date, right? So can I write directly date? Let's see, set index, and if I write the date, okay, and if I run, now you will get the date and the close price. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to update this thing, na? Otherwise it will show me the same previous one. So what I where I need to update on Tata Motor DF. Okay, same thing, if you call this one then you can only see the output. I am not getting. One minute. हम्म, 1 minute. हाँ क्या हुआ? 1 minute. आई ओके मैंने रन कर रहा हूँ 1 minute, मेरे को वापस जाना पड़ेगा इधर, कुछ तो इशू होगा. चेंज हुआ ना, मैं बता दो क्या चेंज हुआ. 1 minute. ये पहले ऐसे था ना, the date and close price. So now this index, this type of the index you are getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now why I'm doing this thing, I want to see the trend. Okay, so trend there by default it will take, when I pass the plt dot plot, by default at one axis it will take the index number, and another axis it will take the whatever the column is present. Okay, so here actually I want to know. And in when we discuss means when we talk about this means when we do deal with this time series data, right? This is the time related data. So you need to convert the this date in the form of the index form. That you need to keep in mind. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. So here, no need to update, I think, and just if I pass the Tata Motor DF, it is showing me again the same thing. So what I need to do, I need to update this thing, right? So where I need to update what the thing, instead you can't update here, okay, directly. It will show you the error. So what I need to do, I will tell, 1 minute. And now if I call, it will show me the error, I think. Okay. So it is not possible in this way. So what you need to do, just I will call again the back data. 1 minute, I think. Hmm, I'm getting the issues here. Okay. So again, if I call this one is the second, this one is the third. Done. Now I change into the index. Okay. So what you need to do? This index is done. Hmm. Hmm. क्या आ रहा है डायरेक्ट क्लोज प्राइस ना डेट इज द इंडेक्स ना हाँ तो इसलिए नहीं दिखाएगा बट वो अपडेट हुआ क्या दैट इज नॉट अपडेटेड ना तो इन माय केस दैट इज नॉट अपडेटेड नाउ इफ आई कॉल ना टाटा मोटर डीएफ वो किया था आपका हो रहा है क्या यहाँ पे सेम आ रहा है इधर ना वही तो पास किया मैंने टाटा मोटर अंडरस्कोर डीएफ ना यही पास किया था ना हमने ये एरर बता रहा है मेरे में ये हो गया उसके बाद कॉल किया क्या ये हाँ इट शोस आई एम सॉरी हाँ नहीं तो एक्चुअली आई थॉट I need to means add and drop but okay it's work now the same thing you need to do for this one Mahindra. Okay, so both are updated and now the index is the date. Okay, and both are updated even we converted the data type in as per our requirement. Okay, so their date earlier that is in the object form, now we converted into the this one, what we can say, into the date format. Okay, so now what you need to do first, I want to see, okay, with respect to the time, what is the behavior of the this share price. Okay, that I want to see. Then we will talk about the gain. Okay, so now I will draw the one graph, and that graph is with respect to the time and close price. Okay, so you can easily draw na. Okay, so we will do with the help of matplotlib. Okay, so matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT, okay, and import C bond as SNS. These two things you needed, so I imported. Okay, now what you want to know? PLT dot plot, and with respective what you want to do this, PLT dot plot for what? Pass the data na. So what is the Tata motor? Tata, you will get. So why I am getting this only one curve? Because there only one column is present. Okay, if there are lot of column present and you want to see only one close column, so you need to pass close, then you will get the, I think, error, because C is capital. Close price na, the column name, close price, then also you will get. Okay, so like that also you can see. So this is the behavior of this stock, okay, with respect to the time you can see. And here I am talking about the this Tata motor, okay. So this is the behavior in I unable to see, okay, 2020 and 21. So in that case what you need to do, take year only in the date and take month only, that type of the thing also you can do. The figure size you need to increase. So what we can write in the figure size? I think what is the fixed size now? What is the name? PLT dot. Or unable to recognize that thing. Fixed size. Hmm. Okay. When fixed size. Okay. Fixed size is equal to 15.5 na? Can I take 15.5? In bracket I need to pass 15.5. Now it is good. Hmm. Now it is good na? 2019 1 to it is clearly draw till December 2022. It is clearly means show means what is the behavior of the stock price and stock close price. Now it's look good. Peak 15.5. Same thing I will do with the Mahindra share. Okay. So here what you need to do, Mahindra DF, and you will get the behavior of the Mahindra share price with respect to the time. So this 3 year data actually I taken here. Okay. In Tata Motor, I always Tata Motor underscore df. This is your table, right? And now can you manually calculate the what is the gain, first gain? Okay, so I try to calculate manually, okay, and quickly do the one calculation for me. Means gain is nothing but what is the gain? Is nothing but what is if I want to see the gain at a 8/12/2022. So what I need to do, this 417.2 minus 413 upon 413.35. Yesterday or share price only you need to do. So can you quickly calculate what is the quickly calculate? Then we will do this with the help of the pandas and let's see the answer is right or not. What is the value? 0.009293. Okay, edit. Okay, so let's try to do with the help of this pandas. Okay, so I want to generate in this Tata Motors. I want to add one more column, and what the column name should be there? That is the gain. Okay, so I will write here gain is equal to where. Okay, so what I want to do for gain, I will take the this Tata Motor DF. Okay, I will take Tata Motor DF dot where I'm interested right now for calculating the percentage change or calculating the gain. I will take the close only. Okay, here by default it is one only available, but I will take only one column, then only I can identify the percentage change. Okay, so take the close price. Okay, so I can't take by use of the dot, so I need to take because space available, right? So close price. Okay, so this particular column there I want to see the percentage change. So in pandas that is available PCT percentage change. Okay, PCT change. Okay, so now in PCT change, when I press shift tab, okay, shift tab, their period is equal to by default it is taken 1. So it is means taking the difference between the next row. Okay, means only period is 1. So each day it will tell you okay, what is the percentage change. Many time you want to see in each every week what is the percentage change. Many time you want to see in every month what is the percentage change. So by use of this period you can do the percentage change. Okay, means you can monthly also you can identify on the basis of 30 days, on the basis of 7 days, on the basis of 5 days. So that's up to you. Then you will get. Okay, so by default it is 1, and even by default whatever the present that only I will put. Even you will not put, then also you will get the result. Okay, so period is equal to 1 I return. And let's pass this particular thing. And now if I say okay, let me show what is the Tata Motor GF, Tata Motor DF, I'm sorry. So gain is introduced, and what you getting the first we calculated already, okay, manually. This 8/12/2022, and there we getting the 0.0093 that only given in this table. Okay, and first value you getting the none. Why? Because the previous data is not present, so we unable to calculate. We unable to calculate percentage change, and that is nothing but the gain. Same thing you can do with the this one Mahindra. So same thing I applied in the Mahindra this data file. Okay, so now you got the answer. I mean, you got the one more column, that is the gain. Okay, now I try to plot the graph for gain, so I can see the gain with respect to the time. Okay, so by use of the matplotlib only we try to do. Okay, so what you need to do, okay, first I will provide the figure, plt dot figure, and I will pass the space because I want bigger space. Okay, so figure size, peak size also, you can write peak size is equal to 15.5 is good, I think. Again we will take 15.5, it shows good. Now what you need to do, plt dot plot and pass your data. So what data I want to plot right now, there is a two data now present inside the table, gain and close. So I need to pass only gain. Okay, so Tata Motor underscore df dot what is the gain. Okay, so this you can see. Okay, so here this is the means, you can see with respect to the mean is the 0. Okay, so with respect to the mean, what is the variation that you able to see, right? Okay, so let me check the same thing for the this one. What is the Mahindra? Okay, so same thing I will do for the Mahindra share. Okay, so I will take the Mahindra share. What you need to do, just you need to write here Mahindra, and you will get this is. So now in both, which means both have a means, you can say the variation, but more variation you can see in the Mahindra compared to the Tata Motor. You can see na, the variation is more compared to the Tata Motor or this. And can I, if I pass this both the thing at a one plot, let me check the one plot. Let me see, okay, what I can do. Now you can see where is the more variation. Okay, maybe we unable to identify ki which one is indicating, which color indicating to what, right? So what we need to do for that, a label we need to pass. Label and legend, both the thing. So first I will pass this here. For that label is equal to what? This is the Tata Motor, na? Tata Motor. You can write means as per your understanding. Here label is equal to Mahindra. Okay. So these two, and now plt dot legend, let me check. Now it's all. So now you can see the Mahindra is actually indicating the yellow portion, means orange portion, and this Tata Motor indicating the blue portion. And here you can say the less variation you are able to see compared to the, in the Mahindra there is the less variation compared to the Tata Motor. Okay, so when you means more variation means, you can say more risk. Okay, so here in the Tata Motor more risk compared to the Mahindra on the basis of the 3-year data, you can say like that. Now I try to plot the distribution plot. Okay, so you can see the behavior. Okay, so what you need to do for the distribution plot, you know, that is available na, sns dot displot. and pass the data. What is your data? Tata Motor underscore df, and there you want to see gain only. Okay, the same thing you will do with the SNS dot displot for this Mahindra df dot gain. So now you will get this one. Again, there is the issue with respect to the which one is belong to which. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to pass the label. So label, what I will pass here, Tata Motor. Here I can pass Mahindra. Okay, now plt dot legend. Now check. You got the normal distribution graph, and here also you can see the Mahindra has less variation compared to the Tata Motor. Okay, so now I try to calculate the mean. Now here round, and how much till fourth number after decimal I want. Okay, so this is the output for the Tata Motor. Okay, the mean of the Tata Motor. Okay, now what you need to do, this I want, I actually want also the standard deviation, because when we talk about the z, it is nothing but x minus mu divided by sigma, right? So this is the thing, and now what you need to write, instead of mean you just need to write the standard deviation. Okay, but when you write these two things now, you will get the output of the second. Means first you will get this output mean, then that override with the standard deviation, and I want to print both the thing. Okay, so what you need to do, you can write like that, print, and this is the mean now. So that I want as you can say the hard coded, so mean, and here I pass the mean. Okay, after comma, what you want, this thing. Okay, so that all the thing will come. Here also print what you want, mean. This is the standard deviation, so can I write std? Now both the value you are getting. Okay, the same thing you need to do with this Mahindra. Okay, so you can also identify for the Mahindra what is the mean, what is the standard deviation. Just you need to write here Mahindra, and here also write Mahindra. Okay, and you will get the mean as well as the standard deviation for the Mahindra stocks. Hmm? Round means round figure means after decimal 4. Okay, there are a lot of value I'm getting after decimal, so I want to restrict that till 4. So that's why I written round. That already we done na earlier. Round we use na. Okay, so someone will ask, suppose ki what is the probability of making 2% loss or higher in the Tata Motor and in the Mahindra. So how you can identify? You have Z score, okay, and if you have Z score, you can calculate the, how to calculate the Z score, that already I discussed. Okay, in the previous session we discussed now how to calculate the Z score. stats. Okay, for that what I need to do, from scipy import stats, and now stats, and there you can also calculate the z score that is available, but I am not calculating the z score. Okay, if you want to calculate it, what you need to do, you need to pass the data, and what is the data here, Tata Motor df dot gain. So you will get the this, why I'm getting the none. Yeah. Hmm? No need to write. I use direct stats. Huh? Getting the none. 1 minute. Any value you are not getting the proper answer. Let me check again. Yeah, I'm getting the values or not. Still I'm not getting, why. Okay, I need to pass the gain now. Gain, and let me check. What happened? So pip install scipy or scipy. That is, I think, already available in the, we did na last. It is not there. Okay, okay, that's why. Okay. Okay, so I will suggest you a simple thing like stats. There, I assume that your data is normally distributed, right? We just check it is behaving normally, means the mean value you getting in the middle point. So it is normally distributed. Somehow you can say. So now I, what is it is a normally distributed. So you need to write normal distribution, and here I try to identify the cumulative density function. Okay, and if I pass the value of what I need to pass, let me check. So there you need to pass the x, and what is the x? X is the array quantity you need to pass, and here it is a cumulative distribution function for random variable. Okay, so let me check, and the array lock you need to pass, scale you need to pass. Okay, so what you need to do, I want to see, okay, if z value you can easily calculate, right? So I want to see, okay, at 0.02, in this value how many, means number of the chance I will get less than 0.022%. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to pass standard deviation and mean. Okay, so location is equal to, what is the location here? That is nothing but the mean. Okay, so that is minus 0.04. Minus, why I'm getting the minus? Okay, let me check. Minus 0.0004. And what is the, this one, scale? Scale is nothing but the standard deviation. And what is the standard deviation in the, this Tata Motor? 0.0322. 0.0322. So here you will get, okay, there 27% chance you will get less than 2%. Okay, less than 2%, more than 2% if you want. Okay, so then what you need to do, 1 minus 72%. Yeah, like that, the same thing you can apply for the Mahindra also. Okay, क्या हुआ? कौन सा वाला ये? ओके, ड्रॉप है नहीं, नॉन वैल्यू था ना यहाँ पे, दैट आई ड्रॉप. Okay, so many time so people will ask and someone will ask ki, okay, what is the chance ki a particular number will get in a particular interval? Okay, so maybe you heard about the confidence interval, right? And I hope that all the thing is cleared. Okay, so what I need to do for that particular thing, interval related thing. Okay, so क्या करना है आपको, stats, again that is also available in the stats. So stats dot, okay, what you want to know, normal, it is a normally distributed, so norm dot interval, okay, dot interval. And now suppose 95% confidence I want. Okay, so 95 I taken 0.95. Okay, location you need to pass. What is the location for the Tata motor that we just passed? That is the minus 0.0004. And what is the scale? Scale is nothing but the standard deviation, and that is the 0.0322. Now this is the value. So when someone say ki if your range is minus 0.06 to 0.06, if your data in this range, then 95% chance, okay, ki that is the 95% means you can say interval ki that will be available in the data set. Okay, so now again if I pass instead of 95, let me pass the 90, then this range will reduce or increase. This is increase. Why? Simple na. If I make the graph, this is the normal distribution, means it will be go like this. I'm sorry, it will be go like this. Okay, so when I say okay, this is the 1 sigma means 68% chance. Okay, then you know that again if I someone say ki 2 sigma means that is 95, the 3 sigma means 99.7% chance ki the data will be present inside. Okay, so when I increase this particular thing, the distance from the mean is increased, right? So like that when I pass the 0.95, the distance is this. Okay, and for 0.90 the distance will be reduced. Okay, because I'm less confident na कि that data will be present inside or not. Okay, let me pass the 0.90, you will get the that particular amount is less compared to the 95. Are you getting my point? Why are you getting the less? Okay, because now I'm telling a 90% chance कि that data will be come in that particular range. Okay, someone will say okay 80, then again it will be reduced. Okay, and if you pass the 68, that is approximate 1 sigma, so it is means you will get this one, means more compact toward the near, you will get the value near to the mean. So this type of the thing you can do. Okay, and you can also give the indication like this the value of the gain in the day in this range, the with the probability, you can say with the probability the chance of the share gain is minus 0.03 to 0.3 is 68%, like that you can indicate, right? Okay, so we conclude here, and I hope now you understood how to apply the stats in the real world also. Okay. Hmm. This one, this I just put the minus 0.02 means this value. 1 minute. That is the value of your this gain. Okay, so suppose that value will be here na minus 0.02. So with respect to that, what is the percentage? You will get the more than this value gain, means you will get more than 0.02 gain. What is the chance? So that chance is 72% if you take the right side. What is the chance you will get less than this return, means gain 0.02? What is the chance? That are the I think 6%. What is the 26% something? But I'm interested in right side value. That's why I did the 1 minus. नहीं समझा? Gain है ना आपका 0.02 minus 0.01. These are the gain. Okay. Sometime you getting 0.03 per day gain. Okay. So what is the chance that I will get more than this? 72% chance. What is the chance that I will get less than? That is the 1 minus 72. Are you getting my point? कुछ है doubt? Location is the mean and scale is the standard deviation. This is standard deviation, this is the mean. Okay? Done? Okay.